Good day, investors and traders. This is Naeem Aslam, and welcome to our daily update on our YouTube channel. So today, what we'll be discussing is the yesterday. In fact, Janet Yellen she sent some serious shockwaves to the markets by saying something. She say that made markets go absolutely crazy. That what did she say that has created an opportunity in this particular market? That is exactly what we'll be discussing. My name is Naeem Aslam. I come with a wealth of 15 years of a trading experience. During this time period, I have as a hedge fund trader for Bank of New York Mellon, as an equity trader for Bank of America, and currently providing services as a chief market analyst to EverTrade. Folks, anything which will be discussed cannot be uh, considered as an advice. If you are seeking for one, please do consider consulting with your own financial advisors. So, what happened yesterday? Why the Dow Jones Industrial Average saw such a massive move? In fact, all the three US stock indices had the biggest one-day sell-off going back all the way to December last year. Well, Janet Yellen she came out and then she said that the Federal Reserve should be increasing the interest rate. Now, this particular statement was very much at odds what the Federal Reserve has been saying. Who is Federal Reserve? That is the central bank over in the United States. And the chairman is Jerome Powell. He has been telling the markets, do not worry about interest rate. They are not going to go up anytime soon. Because of that, we have been seeing market consistently linked to the upside. Now, of course, now the Treasury Secretary comes out and then she says that, okay, they should be looking at to increase the interest rate. That was very much at odds, and investors didn't really expect that. Now they've started to question whether the central bank can be independent. Remember, this was something that we also experienced during Trump era as well, when he was telling the Federal Reserve what to do with respect to the interest rate. But quickly, Janet Yellen, she retracted and she said she is not telling the Federal Reserve what to do, and she's not saying that they should increase the interest rate. So basically, she retracted the entire statement, and that particular element took time for market to digest, because the fact is before interest rate increase we have tapering of asset purchase which is going to take place, and now investors have started to pay attention to that, and because of that, we are seeing the markets moving to the upside. So the opportunity really is that yes, the yesterday's low could really be considered as your stop levels, as you know, to the downside, and you could potentially be looking for the markets to move to the upside from these particular levels, and that is where we have to pay kind of attention right now. Now, as it goes for the gold prices did retrace massively to the downside yesterday, but today we are seeing the traders are trying to push the prices back towards the 1800 price level. But the most important data that can really determine the narrative in the market is the US ADP number, which is going to come at 13:30 or 1:30 British Standard Time. So keep an eye on that, and that will give us a lot more indication on that. That's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time, same place. Thank you.